Hi, myself Karthik. I am a CCBM. I have attended the Generative AI Workshop recently conducted by Nxtwave. This workshop was mentored by Dr. Rahul Attuluri sir. Through this workshop, I have gained a knowledge and hands-on experience of using generative AI tools to create your own project. In this workshop, I have learned how to use the generative AI tools for our purpose to get a project done. In this, I have learned the text generation tools, which includes Writer, Jasper, Write Sonic, Copy.ai. Then image generation tools. They are DALI E2, Midjourney, Dream by Wambo, Crayon. Then video generation tools are Runway ML, Pictory, Deep Brain AI. Speech generation tools are murf.ai, then Filky. Music generation tools are Hugging Face Music Gen, Mubert, Beatbot. Code generation tools are GitHub Copilot, Seek, then Durable. Using these tools, we can create or generate the image, text, video, music, and code using generative AI. Then we see the nuts and bolts of the generative AI project. In this workshop, I have learned the LangChain, Gradio. LLM is a large language model which is the engine of the generative AI project. Then Hugging Face, Play HT, then Google Colab. Using Google Colab, we can integrate the whole project and the code itself. Then we use the vector database to store the data. Thank you.